What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Geek and Geezer Fishing channel. Today's video, we're out at Roosevelt Lake. Right now we're gonna go beat the bank, see if we can't drum up some bites. We got the Geek and the Geezer with us, so we're gonna go see if we can't catch some fish. As always, guys, thank you so much for all your continued support. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so we're super stoked about that. Click subscribe, smash that like button, leave us some comments down below, and I'll catch you with you guys when we get out there on the water. Go, guys, there's one. Just a little guy, but it'll do. Get me on the board. That'll work. Sweet. Look at that, guys. Got one. That was on that little mini jig, Ned rig. It's not a big guy, but all right, guys, so we went out to the water just a little bit before the sun went fully down, probably 30 minutes or so. My father-in-law caught one and I caught one, so fish are biting for sure. We were just hitting the banks, and we're excited that we have that tomorrow's tournament's going to be phenomenal. So hopefully that's the case. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Morning. PVC, that's what I'm talking about. I said PVC, that's what I'm talking about. I taught her that. All right, I'm recording now. And then I'll do a little intro once we get out on the water. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
And we could try and do the same for you, Corey. I can try and hold it so you can kind of climb in without getting super wet. I was telling you I'd help you not have to get in the water. Well, give you a shove. Just a tree onto your left. There you go. All right. All right, everybody, we're out here on the water. We're at the LowerGear Kayak tournament at Roosevelt Lake. We're launching at a Cholla boat ramp, and we've got quite a bit of kayakers out there. We're right about at first light right now, and it's we're gonna be taking off right about 6 o'clock. So hopefully it turns out well for us. At least we get on the board. Saguaro was tough on us, so hopefully this works out, and hopefully we get in some fish.
All right, everybody can take off. Not here, but we're up at the top. Good luck.
All right, guys, I got one on. I just switched my battery, but here we go. Got one on. Not a big one, but it's a start. It's on the board. There we go. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's probably the same one from yesterday, guys. I seriously caught one just over here on the freaking board, guys. Almost 14 and a half. First one of the tourney. All right, guys, first one of the tournament on the freaking board, y'all. On the board in the tournament. Early 6:20 something, guys. Oh, so stoked. Get a release on that boy. Gonzo. All right, guys, so we got one on the board. We are in it. We are actually not obviously in contingency, but we are in the game. You know, some of these dudes are going to catch a lot of fish. Some of these dudes are going to catch some big fish. But if I can catch some fish, you never know. You could be in it. You could have a chance. All right, guys, so third battery in. First battery was a short battery. It was leftovers from yesterday. So right now I've got one in the boat. The Geek has got one in the boat, lost one at the boat, so he's doing pretty good. I'm making a switch right now. Just kind of flipped a lot of shallow cover, flipped and pitched a lot of shallow cover with Ned rig and a jig. And now I'm going to throw a jerk bait and a chatterbait. See if we got some fish that are moving up. Got the sun up now. See if these fish are moving around. See if we got a little more aggressive fish, not these fish just sitting around. I'm gonna probably fish my way back that direction towards where I caught my fish this morning, and just see what happens. Of course, the steepest part to try and hop off in. Sink. Everything's bad. All bad. I don't think I had anything in my pockets. That's good. But I may have lost my Crocs. I picked the squishiest bank to try and get out on. Now, I'm just gonna have to try and get my shoes back out of the mud. Ugh. Whew. Looks like someone pooped in my crock. Jeez. Well, as you guys can see, I'm back in the freaking yak. I don't know how everything is. God, what a freaking dork, man. At least I didn't like flip it, but oh god. This wasn't a good decision on the Grizzlies' part there, guys. Don't wait till you have to pee. Plan to pee, okay? Because then you might just be screwed. A little chilly, huh? Yeah, same. Alright guys, got number 2. Little guy, my camera's dead, of course.
Of course, never fails.
Never fails.
Did you get that on?
Little tailspin.
Oh, nice.
Just a little squirt, but like I said, might put me in contingency for the small fish.
There you go, right?
Better than no fish.
Yep. Tell me about it.
About 11. Boom. Pinky fish.
Nice.
Little winker.
Hey, man.
Hey.
It's a grinder today.
Where you going? Off. Yeah, I figured that out. I'll lift this. Okay. Yep. Is it in the middle?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our video for that tournament for the lower gears at Roosevelt, launching out of the Cholla boat launch. I got 2 fish, one of them which was in contingent for the smallest fish. I got beat by 1/2 inch. The smallest fish was 10 inches and 3/4. Mine was 11 1/4. So that's a bummer. Could have took home a little bit of money, but the Geek caught one. It was kind of a grind out there. Most people said it was a grind, and a few people really got into the fish. I don't know how they did it, and don't know exactly how or what they were fishing, but they did really good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Click subscribe, smash that like button. We're gonna keep getting out there and fishing, doing these tournaments, just getting out and fishing. We love it so much. Thank you, and I'll catch up with you guys next time out on the water.